When it comes to a four-wheel drive vehicle, you really want to avoid replacing only one tire if the others are still pretty new. The explanation is rooted in how these vehicles function. Four-wheel drive systems are designed to distribute power evenly across all four wheels. When you have one tire that is newer, which means it has more tread, and the others are older, with less tread, it can cause imbalances in your vehicle's handling and power distribution. Why it matters. 1. Different tread depths. Different tread depths can cause each tire to rotate at slightly different speeds. This might not sound like a big deal, but it can lead to wear and tear on your vehicle's drivetrain. Over time, this uneven wear can become a costly repair. 2. Handling issues. A new tire will have different traction characteristics compared to older tires. This can result in inconsistencies when you're driving, especially in adverse weather conditions. Your handling and braking can be compromised. 3. Transfer case and differential damage. On a four-wheel drive vehicle, differences in tire size can stress the transfer case and differentials. These components are costly to fix or replace. What should you do? Most experts will advise replacing all four tires at the same time to keep everything balanced. But if replacing all four is not a feasible option for you at the moment, you might consider the following. Buy 2 tires. Replace 2 tires and mount them on the same axle. Make sure the new tires match the size and type of the remaining tires. You should put the new tires on the rear axle to maintain stability, especially on wet or slick roads. Shave the tire. Some tire shops offer a tire shaving service to help match the tread depth of the new tire with the older ones. This isn't very common and might not be available everywhere, but worth checking out if you're in a pinch. Matching brands and types. If you do end up replacing just 1 or 2 tires, ensure they are the same brand and type as the others to maintain consistency. In summary, while you can technically replace only 1 tire, it's generally not advised. If your budget allows, replacing all 4 will save you from possible mechanical issues down the line. If you absolutely need to replace just 1 or 2, take the necessary steps to ensure the new tires closely match the old ones in size, tread, and type. Drive safe out there.